Hi, hello and welcome back to my channel Share and Smile. So this video I'm going to share about a deal that I recently got from Mint Mobile, and it comes with 1 year of mobile and data service along with Pixel 7 Pro. So I got this box a couple of days back, so I'm going to show an unboxing of this Pixel 7 Pro along with Mint Mobile service for a year. Let's see what's there in the box. If you click the referral link from the description below, it should automatically take you here. If you go to the phones and if you click deals, you should see the get 6 months free wireless service, buy a new phone and get 6 months plan. This is one of the better deals. If you see here, Google Pixel 7 Pro is $50 per month and the total is $589. You see the Pixel 7, it is more than that. It is not having a better deal. If I get into the details, you see here for a limited time 6 months free service when you bundle it with the 6 months for 4 gig of data. This is the offer. So this is what I bought. So my total came to if I say add to cart, if you click proceed, the total will come to $658.90. Recovery fee, I always see this on the prepaid cards, and this is pretty much a standard tax, which is again they have put the tax only on the $589, not on the complete price, which is again good. And this is going to be the total. Mint Mobile's brand color is green, so that's why they have made the box as green. So let's see what's there in the box. So if I open it, it's totally a customized box for Mint Mobile. So it says Mint Mobile here, and if I open it, there are 2 mobile SIM card kits. So usually what they do is send 2 SIM cards, one for trialing, or you can send it to your friends. It's a kind of promotion where they give 7 days of network, which you can give it to anybody or you can use it yourself. So I have got 2 SIM card. Then I have got the phone itself. So the phone itself is the original package. It's an unlocked phone because Mint Mobile is a prepaid mobile. So I have paid everything off for the whole year. So I'll tell you the costs of this mobile. Let's start with the unboxing. So if you see here, it's a pretty slim box. So that means it is not going to have the brick charger. Nowadays you don't have to use a knife to open the boxes. It comes pretty handy by peeling it off. So here it says USB-C, then here is where the fingerprint is going to go, and they have given the pictorial representation of the volume buttons. On the side, power button usually has a contrasting color. Now they have blended it all. So black camera module has been integrated with the main module, so it looks seamless. And what else is there in the box is the usual manual. And Google has moved to this C-type to C-type cable for a long time. So luckily I have a brick that has this USB-C cable from Pixel 4 XL. So I'll be using the same. Otherwise we might have to buy USB-C type brick in order for us to charge this phone. It also comes with the converter, so charging cable, the converter, and the phone. So let me peel this off, and I'm gonna start and do a quick setup of the SIM card as well. So let me turn it on. Starts up. So in the meantime, I'm gonna open the SIM card that I have. Like I said, I got 2 set of SIM. So this is the main SIM card that I'll be using in this phone and activating this one year of wireless service. So if you see here, 12-month plan with 4 gig of data per month. So let me get started. While it's loading up, I'm going to open the SIM card tray. This is the mini SIM card, and we need the micro SIM card, so which is again the middle. So I'll pop that out. The SIM card tray is on the left side. Then I'm going to simply pop in my SIM card, and then I'm going to start with the standard Android setup. So in which you have to give your email address and give in few details so that you can get the Android setup ready. This is a pretty standard setup. For you to do the port-in, you have to download the Mint mobile app. I am searching the mobile app, or you can even scan using the QR code given from that SIM pamphlet. So I downloaded the app, and app got installed. So for activating the SIM, so the SIM card, the card in which it comes, it will have the activation code. So once you give the activation code, it will ask you the service provider from which you are trying to port in. In my case, it's Google Fi. So if you choose the Google Fi, each provider has their own option of porting out. Here for Google Fi, it asks for two information. One is the account number, and the second one is the PIN. So on Google Fi, if I go, like, it's a very simple and straightforward option. If I say that cancel, it will give you these two values right away. So in no time I got these values, give that value, and once I reviewed it, and when I said continue, that's pretty much it. It took all the values, and then it said that it is requesting. So it took around 5 to 10 minutes max, and I got a message saying that your service has been ported in. Then as soon as I got that message, when I tried making the call using my new phone, which is the Pixel 7 Pro, I was able to make calls, and I was able to use my phone. Let me know what you think about this deal. If you like this deal and would like to take an advantage of $20 referral, use my referral link from the description, and you can enjoy a $20 discount for this deal. If you know any better deals, or if you know similar deals like this, also write me in the comments so that I can also see the deals and share it with everybody else. Thank you.